I'll take you around all the Christmas decorations. Hopefully they're going to have a good display. This is the colours that we've got going on in our tree.
I like this one better.
That's cute.
No green.
So they turned out, I'm literally so happy with them. How cute they look. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little cozy vlog. I feel like this time of year, festive cozy vlogs are just my absolute favourite thing to film. So we're back with another one. Today it's my grandma's birthday, so we're going to go out for like a little meal. We're going to go to the garden centre. We're going to see all the Christmas decorations, which I have been literally on a mission to go to all the garden centres near me and just see which one's the best one. So today we're going to Sapcut Garden Centre. We're going to take Bailey with us. It's going to be a little homely, wholesome day. If this is the first time you've seen my channel, I would absolutely love you to stick around, join the little family and subscribe. So, little outfit of the day for you. I've got this top on from Zara. It's like just a chocolate brown top. This is my new scarf from Primark, which I'm so excited about. You probably would have seen this in my Primark haul, which I'll link below. New scrunchie as well. And then we've got just white, they're kind of been washed out, but white mom jeans on. We've got Converse on. We're ready to go. Waiting for my mum to pick me up to go out for the meal with my grandma, which I'm very excited for. So hopefully we'll jump into like a little aesthetic montage of our food. So we finished having lunch and it was literally so cute. Like, lunch was so good. Me and mum shared, what did we even have?
Flatbread.
Oh, we had flatbread.
Flatbread.
Yes, that was so good. And then we also shared the chicken and chorizo pasta, which I've had there before with Cam, and it's just unreal. Now we're at Sapcut Garden Centre, which I am so excited about. We've seen Laura Meacham come here, haven't we, with her mum. So we're going to see what they've got. I'll take you around all the Christmas decorations. Hopefully they're going to have a good display. I've got high hopes because Dad came to get our Christmas lights from here like a couple of days ago and he said it's worth coming. Oh my god, the sky is so pretty. Look at the little reindeers. They're all so cute. Oh my god, there's loads of wreaths around there, guys. So this is the tree selection we've got going on. We've had a walk through the lights so far. These are really cute because these are the kind of things you can have outside, aren't they? More wreaths here. It's like a little bow. That's really cute, don't you think? For the front door.
Yeah.
Really cute. Oh, look at all the Christmas flowers. All the Christmas flowers over here. Oh, look. That's really nice, isn't it? The gold one. I like this. I like the ones with all the berries in. I think they look really festive. Oh, the gunk. Look how cute that is. That is so cute. That's the kind of thing that you'd have if you had like a really cool house. Like that would be like a Gemma Louise Miles or an Ellie Derby thing to have, wouldn't it?
Also Ella, yeah.
I would also love that. They're so cute. Imagine if you had like a family of them stood out your door. That'd be really cute. Those are really pretty, aren't they?
I can't remember what colours we've got.
We've got red and gold.
Like this colour.
They've literally got baubles in every colour. Like all the different sections. This is the pink section. Let's take them around. We've done the white section. Gold section. That's like a very gold tree, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at these. Oh, I love things. I like that for our tree. Do you? This is the colours that we've got going on in our tree.
I like this one better.
That's cute.
No green.
I love the gonks everywhere this year. That's so nice. I felt like you'd have to make a big commitment to get that.
You would.
This is cute, that little reindeer. Candles, we've got cranberry spice, which smells really nice. How does the snow angel one smell? Look at this fake fireplace set up. I do like these sacks as well. So the garden centre was a big fat yes. Wasn't that so good?
Yeah, it was really
They had like so many Christmas decorations, obviously you would have seen. I don't know why I'm telling you what you literally just saw. We are now stopping at Aldi. Are we in Aldi or Lidl? I was confused.
We're in Aldi.
We're in Aldi.
We're coming to find the gin.
Yes, we've seen these light up gins and you might have seen them on TikTok. They're like, how would you describe it? The lights are like inside the gin.
It's like a snow globe gin.
It's like a snow globe gin. And we saw it on TikTok and we want one, don't we?
We do.
So we're gonna see if they got one. I mean, watch us go in and then literally be sold out because TikTok, but fingers crossed for us, guys. And I'll take you in, of course. God, we found the light up gin. We have found it. Is this the last one?
I don't know.
It is, that's the last one on its own. Oh my God. What flavour's the gin?
I don't know.
We don't even know. We're just looking at the flash for now. Okay guys, false alarm. It wasn't the last one. We found these. So I think there's 2 flavours, unless they're just 2 different colours. This one is blackberry gin liqueur.
Ooh.
And this one is
Blackberry sounds nice.
clementine. I think clementine sounds really nice.
You want that one, do you?
What do you think? Aww. Yeah, I thought they looked, they're like a dupe of those dessert chocolates. What are they called? Lily O'Brien dessert chocolates. They're like a dupe of that. They look really nice to have out at Christmas, don't you think?
Yeah, should we get them or no?
Yeah, I like them. Guys, I found these trainers. They're literally $5.99. They're so nice. They've got like a fluffy inside. I'm gonna grab those. They've also got this, which is like one, you know, this is the dupe for that phasing cleanser. I've seen this on TikTok as well. How much are these? Oh my gosh, and they've got these, you just saw these, didn't you? Sheet masks, like Christmas themed. Decorate your own gingerbread house. Oh my God, Aldi's my new favourite place to be. Are we in Aldi or Liz? I'm still forgetting.
In Aldi.
In Aldi, okay. What else have they got for us?
Those mince pies look nice.
Oh. Guys, we found them. We found both flavours. We found the clementine one, oh my God, and the blackberry one. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited for those. They light up. I'm not going to put them on now because we're struggling to actually turn the lights off them. But yeah, we've got one of each flavour and I'm very excited about it. Okay, so we're now back from the garden centre and from Aldi, and honestly that was such a cute, like, cosy festive day. We had the best lunch ever as well. Hopefully you saw the clips of that. I'm going to quickly do a little garden centre haul. I'm always very interested in what people end up buying, so I thought I'd quickly show you. So we got 3 baubles because we haven't actually bought any baubles this year from any of the garden centres we've been to. So we've got this one. This one's very cute. This one's $4.99. I mean, garden centre baubles are a bit ridiculous, so we did only get 3, so that was a $4.99. She's beautiful though, I'm obsessed with that one. Our tree this year is like gold, red vibe. So the second bauble we got is this one. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. This one's like the gold one. I love that so much. There were quite a lot of baubles that we really liked, weren't there? But there were some that were like on the tree, so you couldn't have those ones, and then they weren't in the little boxes, were they? So yeah, got that one. So then we got this bauble. So my mum is also cutting some bread up at the same time. But yeah, we got this bauble. It's got like a little bell in it. What's this, baby? I probably shouldn't be attracting them to the baubles, actually. It's probably a bad idea. Oh my God, this is my favourite thing we got from the garden centre. It literally smells unbelievable. I don't know if this is, I think it's potpourri, but it just is like super scented and it's so nice. Like the whole way back in the car, I could smell this the whole way back. So yeah, we got that. That was $3.99. And then we just got some Christmas bags. We got this one, which is really cute. I mean, you can't really go wrong with getting bags for Christmas, can you? Presents and stuff. And then we also got this one with a little nutcracker on. Bailey, get down. He's trying to eat our food now. We went to Lidl and we got like a little feast for dinner, which was, I'm so excited about. It's got like cranberry cheese, we've got meats, we've got hummus, we've got potato salad, we've got hot bread that we've just cooked in the oven. So I'll show you that now, and then after we've had dinner, I'll show you everything we picked up from Aldi. Because honestly, wasn't Aldi game changing?
Well, it's definitely game changing.
It was. Great. It was so good. Like, we ended up actually spending quite a lot in Aldi, didn't we? Because we literally got the light of gins. We've got so much more, but I'll show you that after dinner. Let's just have this little feast now, and then I'll show you what we got from Aldi after that. So this is our dinner of choice. We've gone for red pepper hummus, potato salad, we've got cranberry cheese, we've got meats over here, we've got chutney, we've got cook in the oven baguette. I mean, this is just one of my favourite things to have this time of year. I feel like it's very festive. It's kind of like a Boxing Day-esque kind of thing. But yeah, I mean, if you were vegan or vegetarian, you could literally just swap out the meat things and swap them in. But I mean, I can't wait to eat this. A mini Aldi haul. By the way, there was a change in clothes because I literally, for some reason, as soon as I enter the house, I just cannot keep jeans on. Like, I just can't. They're not suitable for me for chilling, basically. So, little mini Aldi haul coming your way. First things first, chocolate bomb. This is the last one. I feel like everyone has literally been going mad for these. So it's got marshmallows in the middle. I personally don't like marshmallows, but I like the idea of it exploding and the marshmallows popping out. So was it a waste of money? Probably, with the marshmallows in, but this would make such a good present, or like a little stocking filler. We also got these, which were like winter dessert chocolates. These are going to be really good to have out on Christmas, and they're such a dupe for the Lily O'Brien desserts chocolates, because we had those last Christmas. They were so nice, but these ones pretty much look the exact same, and obviously an Aldi dupe. We've got these chocolate stirrers. We've got milk chocolate. I've got 2 milk chocolate ones, and then also white chocolate ones. I want to try and make like a Kinder Bueno drink, because I have some hazelnut syrup, and obviously this will make a white hot chocolate. So if I mix it all together, stay tuned in a future vlog, or I might try and do that tonight, to be honest, and try and make one for you right here, right now. Okay, we're going to do it. We're going to use this Khalifa oat milk. By the way, this is the best brand of oat milk. Then I'm going to mix one of these in, and then I'm just trying to see if I've got enough hazelnut syrup left. Let's see. I think that one's, oh no, that's vanilla. I thought we ran out of vanilla, to be honest. Gingerbread. Yay! Hazelnut. Okay, the milk has been warmed up. Let's go for the chocolate stirrer. Oh my god, I'm so excited. In it goes. I'm slightly disappointed in myself for not putting this in a Christmas mug, but it's a cute anthropology mug, so we'll allow it. And the drink is very nice. It's very sweet, so I feel like it's a bit too sweet. My makeup looks horrendous. I'm gonna go wash this off. It's now actually the following weekend, and I thought I'd carry on this little festive vlog. Excuse the no makeup look. I have just washed and dried my hair, so if it does look a bit wet, then it probably is. I just cannot bother to try it anymore. But yeah, I thought I would do a little vlog today because we're doing some quite festive things. We're gonna put the tree up. We are gonna do Christmas Eve boxes, and I have been saying in vlogs that I really wanted to like include the Christmas Eve boxes in the vlog, so we're gonna do that now. Okay, I've put you down on the bed so I can just make one up. I'm gonna show you making one up, and then I'll just jump into a little time lapse because I feel like you don't want to see the same thing like 50 times. So in the first Christmas Eve box, we've got this little thing from Primark, which is like a hot chocolate mug, and it's actually got hot chocolate mix inside it. It's literally so cute. You might have seen this in my recent Primark haul, which I'll link down below, but honestly I just think that's so cute. By the way, we are going to line the boxes with this paper. The boxes are like this. They're from TK Maxx. They're quite big, and then they've got like a velcro fastening here, so I thought they'll be reusable for like years to come, and I think they were about £8. I don't know if they still have them, but obviously if I can get this vlog up soon, you might have a chance to make one quickly before Christmas Eve. But yeah, we got this paper which is from Emma Bridgewater, and it's like, oh, it's so festive and cute. So I'm going to line the box with this. I feel like I'm at work like packing wedding dresses away, but I'm going to line the box with tissue paper, and then I'm going to put everything in. So first things first, we've got gingerbread mug. We've got a few like little pampery bits we've got, and everyone has got a face mask. This is just a sheet mask from Primark, and some of them will have like different things to others, so I'm making my own one up at the minute, but then I'll make up mum's and grandma's and everyone's. So I'm going to pop in one scrunchie. So a really soft one again from Primark. Everyone's got these little lint chocolate balls that'll be going in. Everyone has also got like a set of pyjamas. Mine are from Primark. Again, you probably would have seen all this stuff in the haul, but they were in Gemma Louise Miles' Instagram as well. They're just so cute and soft and cozy. They have like little Christmassy patterns on them, so those can go straight in. Hand cream in all of them. I feel like it's just like a little pamper box. A few little Christmassy things, pyjamas. I've got these socks that I actually found in Sainsbury's. I'm so excited about them. They are elf socks. I've also got some Grinch nails. These are like stick-on nails with little Grinch things on. They are going straight in the box. And I think that's about it in that one. I think that's my one done. I always see in Zoella's vlogs her making them up, and I'm jealous every year. So we're finally here making our own. But yeah, I'll show you once they're all done and jump into a little time lapse now. So for example, this is mum's box, so it's got a little face mask, lint chocolate, hand cream, it's got the hot chocolate stirrer thing, we've got a little cozy scrunchie, we've got eye mask, lip mask. All that needs to go in here now is her pyjamas, but she hasn't chosen those yet. This is what mine's looking like. So we've got the elf socks, we've got the pyjamas, the lip oil, we've got the hot chocolate mug, nails, chocolate, pyjamas are there, already said that, and then face mask. But yeah, I'm going to make them all up now. This is how they look, and I think they look so cute. So Christmas Eve boxes are ticked off the list. They are literally done. We'll try to do some wrapping as well, but we have only done a bit, and I'm not gonna lie, I thought I loved wrapping, but just the thought of doing loads and loads at once is a bit much. So I've done some wrapping. That's very cute. We're now going to do some festive baking. So we're going to make triple chocolate cookies, but somehow they look like Christmas puddings. Like you dip half of them in white chocolate icing, not icing, just melted white chocolate. Then you have to get something like red and green. I'll put a picture on the screen so you know what I mean. And they look like Christmas cookies, so I think that's really cute. First things first you do is mix the butter and sugar together. So I think it's 125 of butter and 200 of sugar. I just love making cookies because literally all you need to do now is Add in the vanilla and the egg on their own. You add the cocoa powder, plain flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, and then you've got cookie dough. So the cookies have just come out the oven and they look like this. I feel like I've made them not gooey enough, but they do look so good. I'm just gonna wait for them to cool before we make them look all like Christmassy, but Bailey really wants them and I feel so bad. So now time to decorate. So I've got the cookies. I'm gonna dip them in the white chocolate, which is being melted. And then I'm gonna put these on top. These are what I've made as a substitute for the little wreath thing that goes in the Christmas pudding. So I'll let you know how it turns out. So this is how they turned out. I'm literally so happy with them. How cute do they look? They look so cute. So the cookies were an absolute success. Everyone absolutely loved them. They're so nice. I actually would really recommend trying them with the white chocolate on top, because once you melt them, honestly, they are just such a good dessert. So yeah, that was the little festive baking. We did also put the tree up, but I mean, it was quite a stressful process with Bailey trying to get him to not eat all the decorations. So I will just insert a little time lapse here of us putting up the tree. But yeah, that was everything we did on our festive weekend. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing us go to the garden centre, seeing us do some festive baking and the Christmas Eve boxes. Absolutely love watching festive vlogs this time of year, so hopefully it's made you feel a little bit more festive. There definitely will be one more video from me before Christmas, which will be coming this Thursday. And then on Sunday, a very exciting video, probably one of the best videos of the year, which will be the vlog of actually Christmas Day and Christmas Eve, because I just think doing YouTube, one of the best things about it is making the memories and being able to look back on it, like holidays, special occasions like Christmas, birthdays. I just absolutely love it. So I'll link last year's vlog down below just in case you want to watch that one. But yeah, that'll be coming on Sunday, and another video from me will be coming on Thursday. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you are new here and this is the first video you've seen of mine, I'd love you to stick around, join the little family and subscribe, and I'll see you all on Thursday. Bye!